Alright guys, we're back at Home Depot. I'm going to show you guys, for all my sellers selling your property, you're going to have to get a CO, whether it's a full certificate of occupancy depending on your town, or smoke and fire, which is a lot easier and which I'll be showing you in this video. The fire alarms, smoke alarms, fire extinguishers, depending on how many floors your property is, you're going to need one for each floor by the utility rooms, bedrooms. Also, you're going to need a fire extinguisher in the kitchen, but you want to make sure you're getting the right one. Let me figure out which one it is real quick. Alright, here we are. $52. 2A 10BC, and it's the right size. You want a smaller one, not this size, and not too big. This one would be perfect. So for fire alarms, each is $21. Carbon's $50. Combo is $80. That's all for getting the smoke and fire cert for your property if you're selling it, or even if you're renting it out. Low cost, small task, pretty simple. For more tips and tricks, follow.